Agreed the nearest seats.
Speaker wa Bunge ya bũrũri Moses Wetangula nĩatemanĩtie bunge-inĩ mitaratara ya kwendekithia kweherio kwa makamicina na kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka bũrũri-inĩ IEBC na arĩa manĩrĩire kũregana na maumirira ma githurano kĩhĩtũku na magĩcoka kwendekithia githurano gĩkanjwo hĩndĩ ya cira wa githurano igoti-inĩ.
I wish to convey to the House that my office is in receipt of 4 petitions seeking the removal of commissioners of the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission IEBC pursuant to the provisions of Article 251 of the Constitution.
Mitaratara ĩno yendekithĩtio nĩ ya Kenya atatũ arĩa nĩ hamwe na Dennis Nthumbi, Owuor Steve na kĩama kĩa Republican makĩenda mũnini wa mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa IEBC Juliana Cherera, makamicina Justus Nyang'aya, Wanderi na Irene Masiti meherio kumana na ciĩko ciao cia hĩndĩ na thutha wa gĩthurano kĩhĩtũku.
Demonstrating partiality and biased conduct in agreeing to the proposal to alter the results of the presidential elections in favor of one candidate, or in the alternative to force a runoff contrary to Article 10(7)(3)(2)(b), C, 75, 138, 232, and 249 of the Constitution.
Mitaratara ĩno ĩkuruhanĩtie makamicina na gũkorwo magararire gatiba na makĩhũthĩra wabici cia ũũru. Nĩmonanirie kwenderera mwena ũmwe wa kĩũteti hĩndĩ ya gĩthurano. Nĩmetĩkĩrĩte kuoya mahaki kuma kũrĩ kamĩtĩ ya kĩbũrũri ĩgiĩ ũgitĩri nĩguo gũthoga maumirira ma gĩthurano, kwaga ũigĩrĩrĩki wĩra-inĩ wao hamwe na mangĩ ũndũ ũrĩa ũgucĩrĩirie mĩrũgamo ngũrani kuma kũrĩ Ambunge.
So this house will be contravening its own rules and indeed the law generally by entertaining a petition that is touching on issues that are actively before court. I don't see the urgency. We can wait for the court matter to be concluded.
The case that is in court is not about the removal of the 4 commissioners. It is about hiring of the lawyers. And I think the committee will be able to look at whether the matter is sub judice or not.
And therefore, Mr. Speaker, as we look at the petitions, can we also now realign IEBC to go back to the independence that it had? And since the 3 are also coming out, so it means we shall have a clean slate. I don't want to say anything about that.
So I think actually this petition is in very bad taste. It's taking the country back. And I think what we need to do is let the commissioners go on with their work. The ones who are supposed to retire, let them retire honorably. Let the ones who want to continue with their work continue. Because even if you look at what the court ruled, there is nothing that untoward that was said about them, nothing illegal that they did.
Mitaratara ĩno rĩu ĩrĩ moko-inĩ ma kamĩtĩ ya Mbunge ĩgiĩ watho na kĩhoto ĩrĩa kũmĩthũrima nĩguo gũkũrana kana kũrĩ na ũira mũiganu wa kũria mũtongoria wa bũrũri athondeke kamĩtĩ ya mwanya ya gũthũrima makamicina ya ihinda-inĩ rĩa thikũ 14 ciũkĩte.
The work of the committee is to guide the House by way of comprehensive report on whether the petitions satisfy the grounds for removal of any or all of the cited members of a constitutional commission as set out in clauses 1 and 2 of Article 251 of the Constitution.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Giri Kameme TV, Jitogomora, Wagunya.